Welcome back, guys. So this is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're walking around a 1981 Firebird dressed up as a TA. It's got a 76 front end with a 455 motor under the hood. This one's got powered steering. We're gonna take it down the road, point out any kind of flaws, that way we know exactly what you get. We want everybody to be aware of every flaw on every car on the lot. Here's what I'm saying. You can check out detailed photos at maplemotors.com, so be sure to go there. I have financing, I have shipping available. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. We post videos daily. If you're new to the channel, welcome. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. I'm gonna look around the interior before we take off. It's got the cloth dash pad on it. Underneath is actually in pretty good shape. Maybe they put that on there to keep it nice. Show you the mileage here. Of course, it's hard to stand behind that. Go ahead and start it up. See what gauges we got coming up here. We got the temp gauge is working. The oil pressure is right around, it's climbing still. About 25, 30. Temps all the way up on this car already, and see if we can get the radio to work. Radio is working. Heater's gonna need work. It's not doing anything. We'll leave it on because it's freezing out here. Windshield wipers work. Did you place your bets on the horn? No horn on this one. Got my gear back there. Headliner's nicely clean. Okay, we've looked around the car. We're gonna take off here. All right, guys, I'm trying to give away some stuff. You see them cones out there? I'm gonna leave the gate unblocked. If somebody is parked inside the car lot right here, when I get back, the first person to name the type of vehicle that's sitting right there, that's not a muscle car, obviously, wins. Let's hit the road. Okay, so we're getting ready to take off down the road. Any flaws that I see, I will let you know. All right. Yeah, we're overdue for somebody to be sitting in the lot, so hopefully I can give something away today. Feels pretty quick right off the bat. Another thing that I noticed, if I let go of the steering wheel, it's got a pull to the right. Pulls pretty hard to the right. That'll have to be addressed. Speedometer is coming up and it's working. So is our fuel gauge. Let's see if this kick down's hooked up. We got a kick down on this one. Check these brakes out. Brakes are stopping fast. Feel pretty good. Turn signals are popping up on the dash here. And that steering was nice and tight. It's got a nice set of speakers in here too. It's all JBL, the tweeters. All right. We're gonna ride on up here, get some outside shots. I'm also gonna take some undercarriage shots of this ride. Put a little light on the ground, drive over it, and there's going to be a walk around video pointing out any kind of flaws inside, out, and underneath. Okay. So I'm gonna step out here, go ahead and get these outside shots. Hopefully y'all enjoy. Look below in the description to see all the gear that I use. Put Amazon links for everybody to go check all the stuff out. All right, let's do this. All right, about to roll up here. Engine temperature still good. Oil pressure's right at 20 pounds right now. We're heading on back to the lot. Hopefully I can give away something today. Just pray a random customer's parked in there. Like I said, as soon as you see it, tell me what color that vehicle is. Share this video and hit that like button, and it's yours. There was a little bit of a stutter in the gas earlier. I can't get it to do it now at all. It's just launching now. This thing's pretty quick. You get on the throttle a little bit, it'll kick the tires easy. Still pulling to the right, and the suspension's not terrible. If I was to rate it, I'd say a 5 out of 10. About average here. Car's pretty peppy, I'm not gonna lie. It's got some power behind it. Turn signal cuts off by itself. If you got the wheel turned just a little bit, it'll turn off every time. That's it. Woo! Hey, it's positive. It left 2 black marks there. Bump. It was a speed bump, kind of give you an idea. Listen for rattles and shakes. I do hear something rattling around in the trunk, though there's nothing in the trunk. Something back there on the trim or window, or something's loose. So let's see. One last stretch here. Is somebody parked in the lot? I left that gate open. They're not. Let's go on down here a little bit. I could have swore that guy was gonna pull in there before I left. Maybe somebody will before we get back there. We're gonna cut through Brian's Motorsports parking lot. Let me tell you a little bit about these guys. They got it going on when it comes to customizing your car. They've got wheels, tires, parts, accessories. They do interiors, custom consoles, stereo systems, tint, alignments, anything you need. These are the guys. Check them out, briansmotorsports.com. You can see them on Facebook, Instagram. They've even got their own, you hear that rattle? That's what I'm talking about. Something's rubbing back there in the trunk. Sounds like it's on the package tray. But they even got their own YouTube, so check them out under BMS or Brian's Motorsports right here on YouTube. Tell you what, it sounds like it's coming from the back window, but that could be an exhaust bracket vibrating against something. The way it's making that noise. We'll be looking up under there in the walk around video. Be sure to watch for that walk around video. I'm getting ready to do it right here at the lot. They had a lot of construction going on at my normal spot, so I had to come back and do it. Good deal. I'm glad y'all rode along with me. Still nobody parked in the car lot. I've got an idea. I've got more ideas on how to give stuff away here, so I'll be keeping y'all updated. Thanks again, guys. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post videos like this all the time. You can see a walk around video the last 30 seconds of this one. Be sure to click on that, check it out. MapleMotors.com has close to 100 detailed pictures. Wheels, tires, parts, and accessories are available on that website. I have shipping, I have financing available. Be sure to go on over there and check all of that out. One more car to get to today after this, so be looking for that video. You can hit that notification bell. It'll alert you every time I post a car for sale. Okay, on to the next one. Thanks for watching.